Santiago 3:14-16. Hindi ito ang karunungang bumaba mula sa itaas, kundi ang nauukol sa lupa, sa laman sa dyablo, sapagkat kung saan mayroong paninibugho at pagkakampi-kampi ay doon mayroong kaguluhan at lahat ng gawang masama. Alright, buhay pa ba? So, ito yung natin, no? Topic natin ngayon kasi yung iba ayaw ayaw nila ng pagkakaisa. Gusto nila yung pagkakampi-kampi. Ayaw nilang tanggapin yung karunungang bumaba mula sa itaas, kundi yung panlupa, sa laman at sa dyablo. Kaya alam na natin kung sino yung gusto ng pagkabahabahagi, pagkakampi-kampi, andun din yung kaguluhan, at yan ay sa laman, sa lupa at sa dyablo. Okay? Now, gusto lang nating i-debunk yung mga tumutulig sa INC, lalo na ngayon, no, na malapit na yung peace rally ng Iglesia ni Cristo. Kaya maraming mga ayaw nila na magkakaisa kami o tayo, no? Kaya mayroon silang aligasyon at mayroon pa silang nalalaman na ang INC daw ay mayroong utang na 7.6 billion. What? Okay, nagmamarunong sila na kung baga sila daw ay may alam kumpara doon sa membro mismo na nasa loob ng INC. Yun ang i-debunk natin pagkatapos nating magkakape. Pero bagong lahat, shout out kay Alvi Studio, Lash Nail Designer. So, hindi tayo napapaalam. Ginamit natin yung studio niya. Tapos mayroon ding mga parent na mga gown. Alright, so, ayan, magbihis muna tayo at magkape. Ayan, sa mga kubis kape dyan. Matagal natin hindi nag-vlog. Alright mga kabuhay, bago natin pag-usapan yung current executive minister ng INC, ito muna yung ipapanood ko sa inyo. Ang former executive minister, ang kapatid na Eranio G. Manalo. Alright. So, yung allegation nila na mayroon daw utang na 7.6 billion ba yun? Ito yung kasagutan. Ayan, pakinggan nyo.
Paano natutusan ng Iglesia ni Cristo ang lahat at ang iba pang mga proyekto nito? Masasabi natin ang Iglesia ni Cristo na nagsimula rito sa Pilipinas, sinimula ng isang Pilipino at itinataguyod ng angaw-angaw ng mga Pilipino, ay tumayo sa kanyang sariling paa. Wala hong tumutustos na dayuhan.
Take note, walang tumutustos na dayuhan. Kabaliktaran po kasi sa history, sa Pilipinas, yung mga religion dito, halimbawa itong Catholic Church from, of course, Europe, sa Italy, and then ito namang mga Protestant from America. So, sa atin, baliktad, no? Ang Iglesia ni Cristo, muling na lumitaw dito sa Pilipinas, mismo mga pure-blooded Filipinos na pumunta ng US, tapos, ayan, kumalat na. Canada, Australia, sa buong mundo na. Right? So, continuous po tayo.
Wala hong foreign aid. Sa madaling sabi, ang Iglesia ho ni Cristo ay walang utang kahit nasaang bangko. Ang Iglesia ni Cristo ay hindi ho nagsasangla ng mga titulo ng lupa para lamang makakuha ng pondo. Bukas ang opisina ng Iglesia pag nakakita kayo ng kahit isang titulo na may gravamen o mayroong marka ng pagkakasangla, maghiwa-hiwalay na tayo.
So, yun po, no? Yun ang garantiya ng tagapamahalang pangkalahatan na kung may isinanlang lupa, kasi nga bukas yung office ng dito sa Iglesia ni Cristo. Sabi niya, maghiwa-hiwalay na tayo. Ibig sabihin po, dito sa Iglesia ni Cristo ay talagang masinop na ingatan yung pananalapi nito. Alright, ang likot natin mga kabuhay. So, continuous po tayo na dito. Dito tayo kasi mas comfortable dito. Now, yun nga, people keep on throwing bad at us. So, tanong nila, yung pinakita nyo kanina, yun yung former executive minister nyo. How about yung current executive minister, ang kapatid na Eduardo V. Manalo? Well, kung may utang ang Iglesia ni Cristo na 7.6 billion, bakit nakapagsagawa ang Iglesia ni Cristo ng World Tour Aid to Humanity? Okay? So, ipapanood ko sa inyo. Ito ay during sa administration ng current executive minister na kapatid na Eduardo V. Manalo. So, yung Felix V. Manalo Foundation, doon po sa Northwest and Northeast California Aid to Humanity, August 17, 2019. Yan. And then, Ayuda Humanitaria, Los Angeles, Orange, California. And Northern Midwest Aid to Humanity. Right? So, ipapanood ko sa inyo yan. Keep on watching. Yeah.
Welcome to this INC News World Update. I'm Naomi Dela Cruz in the INC Media Services Los Angeles, California studios. The Felix Y. Manalo Foundation continues its 2019 U.S. tour of Aid to Humanity events, where underserved communities across the country are receiving socioeconomic assistance. As we continue following the U.S. tour, we head to the event being held in Southern California, a joint effort of the districts of Los Angeles County and Orange County, California, united to pull off one of, if not the, most unique humanitarian aid events held in the region. But Los Angeles experienced a 12% increase in unsheltered individuals since 2018. Currently, 58,936 persons are homeless in LA.
Imagine that. So, ang pagkakala natin, sobrang yaman ng Amerika, pero mayroon din pala silang mga homeless people. Ito ay about 58,936. Yan, na homeless. Patuloy natin.
And so did the Felix Y. Manalo Foundation. With its Aid to Humanity event series, 20 local organizations were recognized for their efforts on the ground in LA. Each organization received a $5,000 donation from the FYM Foundation.
So may mga institution doon sa LA na binigyan pa ng mga cash ng Iglesia ni Cristo worth $5,000 US dollars. Imagine how huge money is that. At yung meron pa ako napanood dito, may 10,000, may 20,000. Yan, continuous po tayo.
To help them continue to service the Los Angeles population.
Thank you all for being here. Thank you for the time.
Expenditures with a little bit more comfort.
We want to be really honest. It takes money to keep the doors open, the lights on, the food on the table, things like that. So today, the $5,000 that the Manalo Foundation gave us will make an impact on our food, because we serve probably 3,500 plates of food a day.
For the hundreds of LA families in attendance, the FYM Foundation made sure they didn't go home empty-handed. Care packages of food and household items were distributed, in addition to the day's fun events for the whole family.
Thank you, you guys. This is a wonderful event from FYM Foundation. Thank you for all of everything that you guys provided for us today.
Thank you for the foundation. I'm very glad. Thank you so much.
I was moved by the spirit of service, of unity that was exhibited by all of these people all over the world. And so I was inspired by that.
Very touches. Yan, dami. Yan. So, paano mo masasabi ng Iglesia ni Cristo may utang? Bakit nila nasagawa ang ganito at walang ibang religion, even yung 500 years or na nag-existing na 700 years existing yung religion na yun ay hindi nakagawa ng ganito very huge aid to humanity. So only in Iglesia ni Cristo, dahil may Diyos na gumabay dito church na to, right? Kaya ito pa yung mga nakakamangha na event ng INC. Ayan, pagpatuloy natin, right? So dito tayo sa Temple Hills, Maryland. Tapusin na natin itong part 1.
Welcome to this INC News World Update. I'm Stacy Larkin in the INC Media Services Washington, D.C. studios. The Felix Y. Manalo Foundation continues its 2019 U.S. tour of Aid to Humanity events, a series of socio-civic assistance programs to underserved communities across the country. As we continue following the U.S. tour, we head down south to the Washington, D.C. metropolitan area to Temple Hills, Maryland.
There needs to be that relationship between, the government and nonprofit organizations. How often do they happen? They don't happen enough. I mean, what you guys are doing is you're really speaking to people's quality of life.
A quality of life that Mayor Sean Maldon knows can be difficult to come by for residents. It is this need for basic necessities such as food, clothing, and school supplies that volunteers of the Felix Y.
So, not only goodie bags, meron din mga food, clothing, school supplies, cash. Right, so take note this is during the administration of our Executive Minister, Eduardo V. Manalo. Ayan, tiniyo po tayo.
Manalo Foundation, the charitable arm of the Church of Christ, provides for community members. Apple Hills, Maryland, to provide much-needed help to residents.
So may lokal tayo dyan. Mayroon tayong property owned by Iglesia ni Cristo. So, isa yan sa mga napuntahan ng ating kusang handog sa buong membro ng Iglesia ni Cristo. Imagine that, property. This is dollars. So, hindi birong presyo yan. Milyon-milyon yan. Pumili tayo ng lupa, tapos pinatayuan ng mga gusay sa bahan. Yung iba, binili natin yung mayroon ng structure na bininta ng ibang religion sa atin. Ayan, hindi pa tayo.
I'm grateful for the organization, all that you're doing, and I'm so happy that each and every one of you could make it out here at 4 o'clock on a Monday afternoon and have such a wonderful turnout.
Distributing not only Goodwill bags filled with non-perishable food items and school supplies, but also providing musical performances, free health checkups, free clothing, face painting, and games for even the youngest of residents.
Helping them to have a better life and, meet some of those needs and things that they don't have.
This outreach was even noticed by ABC 7 News, WJLA Washington.
One step closer to being prepared for the school year thanks to the kindness of others. The Church of Christ in Marlow Heights gave out 1,000 bags of school supplies and conducted health screenings for students and those in the community in need.
In addition to Goodwill bags and various free services, donations were provided to 6 local organizations.
Congratulations.
Several non-profit organizations will have a little bit more help in their budget line because of you today. So thank you. This donation is going to really just continue to help us grow and continue to meet those needs of the youth in our community. I'm just still in disbelief and just I'm really thankful. Thankful for FYM, for continuing to do this type of work. We need more of it.
My name is Alexandra, and this is my troop, 2289, and we want to thank the Church of Christ and FYM for this donation.
Helping to meet the needs of those in need, Aid to Humanity outreaches of the Church of Christ are not only happening in North America, but globally.
It was amazing that you're able to help essentially the whole world. It shows the dedication of your foundation towards everybody to make the world a better place.
It's wonderful. I love churches that do things for their community. And this is absolutely wonderful.
Thank you! Thank you, Church of Christ!
You saw that? Tell me if I'm wrong. Merong $100,000 check. So, comment below kung nakita niyo ba. Yan, if I don't get wrong. Now, guys, grabe no. Yun po mga kabuhay. Yun po ang tulong ng Iglesia ni Cristo. Not only here in the Philippines, but around the countries. Susunod, meron pa tayong panuorin kasi umaga na, matulog muna tayo. So, yun lang po. God bless at see you there. And dito po tayo sa Davao City on Monday, January 13 sa Peace Rally ng Iglesia ni Cristo. Have a blessed day.